Hey, I'm Julia, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade here in Las Vegas. I want to show you this oil rubbed bronze PowerScreen we just installed. And honestly, look at how beautifully this finish blends right into the home. It's not just a screen, it's part of the house. We went with the Apollo Shade 95% fabric on this one. That means 95% of the sun's heat and glare is blocked, and you still have a clear view looking out. One-way daytime privacy too, so you can enjoy the patio without feeling like you're on display for the whole neighborhood. With a push of a button, the screen comes down and completely seals the patio. Bugs gone, heat blocked, view protected. And when you're done, it retracts and disappears. Nothing to look at. Apollo makes everything in-house. We measure it, we build it, we install it. Over 20 years of doing this and thousands of installations across the valley. Come see us at 900 Wigwam Suite 135 in Henderson. Give us a call at 702-517-5549 or visit us online for more details.